We're here in Tampa at Tacos El Flaco's food truck. Estamos aquí en Tampa en la Tacos El Flaco food truck. Y aquí tenemos, mira, Álvaro se va a probar. Oh, mira, los tacos ahorita. Ok, bueno. Déjame ver cómo se ve. Oh, ese se ve bien rico. But look at this. We're going to have a live band. We got plenty of food, drinks, para todas las personas. Sí, y ahora, mira, se va a cortar la carne. So watch how he does this. Take a look at this. Here's a master chef right here. Mira, esta es una experiencia. Mira. Oh, look at that. Tiny pieces. Oh, look at that. Míralo. En pedazos cortos. Mira. Mira qué rico. Se ve ese. ¿Y cómo se llama ese? What's this called?
Tacos de pastor de trompo.
Okay,
la mera original.
Okay, this is the original tacos de pastor de trompo. For those who aren't aware of this kind of food. Yeah, okay, so let's come over here to the grill. We're gonna go over here. And look how quick he served that. Look.
En esta orden lleva cebolla.
Okay, so it comes with onions. That's in the cebolla, peppers, pimientos. And I love my onions cooked. Good, grilled. Así me gusta la cebolla, bien cocidos. Okay, falta un poquito más, ya va a salir. So, okay, just a little bit more. It's almost done. Nice and hot and fresh. That's the way a taco needs to be made. Bien fresca, bien caliente. Así se hace un taco. Bien rico. Okay. Oh, they put everything here. They put everything. La cilantro, la cebolla. Oh, look at this. Thank you, Alvaro. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Okay, now the taste test. I can't wait to dig into these. Ahora, uno. Oh my gosh, that's so hot. Talk about hot food. They definitely serve here. Tacos El Flako here in Tampa off of Hillsborough Avenue. Here we go. Special Mother's Day event tonight here in Tampa. Tenemos algo especial, música vivo, buen comida aquí en la Tacos El Flako food truck on Hillsborough Avenue for the Dia de las Madres. So this is a special Mother's Day event. So don't forget, follow the flavor, see your sabor.